Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to do the Christmas tree laser lights, as commonly seen on a lot of popular media sites, such as Reddit. Alright, first we are going to start off with some basic settings. For the camera that I'm using, it's a Canon Rebel T3, which is a basic entry-level DSLR. Settings we are going to be using are the manual mode on bulb, aperture of 7.1, ISO of 100, manual focus, and auto white balance. Okay, now I'm going to put this on the tripod, and we are going to have this in our landscape, or not landscape, but our portrait. Orientation. Okay, and that shows up. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the live view mode, and I'm going to zoom in on the tree and make sure that I'm all the way out on my zoom, all the way wide out, and make sure that I have the tree in focus, which it is. Now for the exposure, what we are going to do is we are going to put it back on standard view mode, and we are going to expose it for about 5 seconds and then start zooming in slowly and smoothly. When we hit the end of our zoom range, we are going to stop. Alright, so back to standard view. And let me get this here. My tripod's kind of falling apart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Zoom, 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 and end. And if we hit play, this will show us here. Get this zoomed back in on the camera. And as you can see, that gives us our laser beams from the Christmas tree. And it's a little bit shaky just because the tripod that I'm using is kind of falling apart. I have my good tripod here with the video camera. And that's about it, really. You can go into Photoshop and adjust it a little later on, but that's pretty much your laser beams on a Christmas tree. Can you get it back here? I did a couple other ones earlier, and as you can see, they did come out about average. So this is zooming in on the Christmas tree, which produces that effect. Now we can try zooming out as well, and I will show you what effect that has. So, since we have our same settings here, we're at the same focal length and everything, I'm going to expose it and then start zooming out and then finish the exposure with 5 more seconds. Alright, and here we go. And I'm all the way wide out now. 4, 5. Let off the exposure, it's probably going to be a little shaky. And it is just a little shaky. But in the end, it kind of produces about the same image. I just prefer to do it zooming in. And let our ISO adjust here. Yeah, it's a little brighter, I guess. So I just prefer to do it zooming in, as it creates a little bit of a better effect in my opinion than zooming out like this, and gives you a little better control over the final product. So thanks again for watching this tutorial on the Christmas tree, how to make it look like lasers. And for more cool photography tutorials, subscribe. Thanks.